there, it's Kelly here, and today I'll be teaching you how to set up your own credit card and online banking payment method on EasyStore via OXPay. Alright, so before you can actually set this payment method in EasyStore, you will need to actually onboard with OXPay first. What this means is that you will need to submit your business documents, let them verify, and once they actually approve, they will send you a merchant ID with a secret key which you can activate this payment channel on EasyStore. And here's how you can do it. Once you're logged in into EasyStore, you want to go to Settings and then go to Payments, and on the top right corner you'll see a Add Payment Method button. So you want to click that and then you want to write in OXPay. Alright, so once we're at this page, you can leave the display name and description as it is, and what I want you to do is click on View Setup Guide. So remember I mentioned that we need to onboard with OXPay first. You can actually click on this blue hyperlink which leads you to a Google form where you can put all your business details here for OXPay to check and verify and approve. So for normal submissions, their team will actually contact you via call or email earliest on the next working day. So once your business has been approved and you have received the merchant ID and secret key, here's what you need to do next. Scroll down to the Sub Payment Method settings and click on the Add Sub Payment Method button. So in this list, you want to select the payment options you want to provide under OXPay, which I will be choosing online banking MYR, credit card MYR, e-wallet MYR, and MYR. So I'm going to save it. And then I'm going to click on the pencil button next to the payment method. And what you need to do here is to input the merchant ID and the secret key that OXPay has given to you. So just simple as that, and you want to click Save after that. And with that, you have successfully set up your credit card and online banking payment method via OXPay on EasyStore.